kujukania ibatere kujukwa main campus area Nchiru na Meru Town campus area at Towers. Ukienda mantu nkuruki no wetekire email yetu niyo admission@must.ac.ke kana ugetakire mutandao wetu jo website niyo www.must.ac.ke kana uturingire thimu gukurukira namba iji niyo 0712 524 293 kana 0799 529 958. Chiandikithie kire intake ya Januari mwaka 2018. Meru University of Science and Technology, a world-class university of excellence in science and technology. Chuka University ni sukuru ya mwingi irene university ya kenda kwithire kiambi Nthigurune na ni ijire kwithirwa itikiritwe ni thirikari ira yambirirwe mwaka 2004. Chuka University turi Tharaka Nithi County, Meru South District, Eastern Province. Turi barabara nene ya kuma Nairobi kuijaja Meru, kilomita 1 kuma Chuka Town na njara ya Umuthu. Sukuru yetu ina kanya kanene ga kuthomera, twina macini cia Kinande iria irekirira borotari cietu na kinya library cia Kinande. Na rira aritwa betu bateiracine twina antu aega kunogoka na kinya agucethera. Sukuru yetu ina mareizari nthiguru aria twina aritwa bakuma county cionthe 47 na kinya ome ya nthiguru. Ya sukuru yetu ni tuthomithagia Faculty of Agriculture and Environmental Studies, Faculty of Education Resources Development, Faculty of Business Studies, Faculty of Arts and Humanities na inge inyingi. Tutigirite ati kwina ukaria ba ugima bwa mwiri kiri aritwa betu amwe na ageni betu kire ni gintu kia bata muno kiri batwi. Irasi bietu bia kina mwakirejo Kinande na nitutete na mena wakankuruki kenda tutigira aritwa betu ba kuthoma bwega. Leta mwana waku aja Chuka University na aria ume ni utonga.
My name is Professor Erastus Nyaganjoka, the Vice Chancellor of Chuka University. I would like to welcome all people from the 47 counties of Kenya and also from other countries to come and study in this big institution.
Nyomba ya kina into bibiega bia quality ya iguru ni ndongi. Nikyo Aruna Yuben Sons Limited turiaja ni untu bwaku.
Kanjuke kanyaga kubugwata ugeni na kubumenyithia ati Aruna Yuben Sons Limited jayo the glass people in Meru ithamite na ndia uma mutindwa aria twire akwina muskiti Jamakuta.
Nyuma yetu kuthama mutindo wa Jokangangi na ndi turi barabarene nene ya Maua akue na White Star Hotel opposite Superloaf Makutano. Aja gwetu ni tuendagia mabati ja quality ya iguru ja MRM kana mabati rolling mills, chuma cha gwaka, plain block boards, veneered block boards,
Do you see they could sell it or throw it out?
And the talk of the taxpayer money being wasted.
Oh, I raised every dime privately that we spent on that restoration. No, I loved that house, and I wanted to share it with the American people to impart a sense of America's greatness. Objects and artifacts last far longer than people, and they represent important ideas, history, identity, beauty.
But I'm sure that the readers would like to know what it's like to be a member of your family.
Imagine a little boy surrounded by all this, having his older brother die in battle and then going off to that same war and coming home a hero. People see that little boy.
And the talk of the tax...
Born to wealth, privilege. Object. Willing to sacrifice everything for his ideals in service to his nation.
Royalty. You make him sound like royalty.
Well, for royalty, you need tradition, and for tradition, you need time.
Well, I guess it has to start somewhere, right? There has to be a day one.
This is the East Room pretty much as Americans have known it now for 60 years. Obviously, you haven't felt that you had to make any great change in it.
No, I think it's lovely. I hate to make changes, really. So when you find a room like this, it's wonderful.
This piano brings to mind that this is the part of the White House where you have the musical affairs.
That's right. This piano was designed by Franklin Roosevelt with the Eagle support. And this is the end of the room where Pablo Casals played for us, where we had a portable stage built when we had the Shakespeare players.
Mrs. This administration has shown a particular affinity for artists, musicians, poets. Is this because you and your husband just feel that way, or do you think that there's a relationship between the government and the arts?
That's so complicated. I don't know. I just think that everything in the White House should be the best. And if it's an American company that you can help, I like to do that. If it's not, just as long as it's the best.
Is your faith helping you?
I'd prefer to discuss my faith with a priest. You're not a man of the...
No. No, I'm not. Just trying to get to the truth. That's what reporters do.
The truth. Well, I've grown accustomed to a great divide between what people believe and what I know to be real.
Fine. I will settle for a story that's believable.
That's more like it. You know, I used to be a reporter myself once. I know what you're looking for.
I'm sorry?
A moment-by-moment account. That's what you came here for, isn't it? You want me to describe the sound the bullet made when it collided with my husband's skull? Soy muy contenta de estar en el gran estado de Texas, de estar con ustedes y experimentarte de la noble tradición española que tanto ha conseguido en Dallas. Esta tradición comenzó 100 años antes de que se colonizó Pacific. Massachusetts, el estado de mi marido. Todo es una tradición que se mantiene viva y vigorosa. Is that the sound of birds?
Not exactly birds. Must be the ocean. You ready?
Of course. I love crowds. Motorcade from the airport. Hot, wild, like Mexico, Vienna. Sun was strong in our faces. I couldn't wear my sunglasses. Jack has his hand out, and I see a piece of his skull come off. And it was flesh-colored, it wasn't white. And he slumps in my lap. Blood in his brains from my lap. And I'm saying, Jack, can you hear me? Jack, I love you, Jack. And his head was so beautiful, and his mouth was beautiful. His eyes were open. Trying to keep the top of his head down, keep it all in. He had the most wonderful expression on his face. You know, just before they'd ask him a question, just before he'd answer, he looked puzzled. I knew he was dead.
Mrs. Kennedy,
Don't think for 1 second that I'm going to let you publish that. You understand?
Yes, of course. Yeah, I understand. What did the bullet sound like?
Mrs. Kennedy. You all right? It's Larry.
I'll be ready in a moment.
Take all the time you need.
Are they waiting?
I do solemnly swear
I do solemnly swear
that I will faithfully execute
that I will faithfully execute
the office of President of the United States
the office of President of the United States
and will, to the best of my ability,
and will, to the best of my ability,
preserve,
protect,
and defend
the
Constitution of the United States.
the Constitution of the United States.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Start the engines, get some of the heat off this plane. Thank you.
Can you tell me what size the bullet was? I don't think it was 38, was it? It seemed, what's that called, the caliber? It seemed bigger. It seemed like something soldiers would use, or maybe what they use for deer hunting.
You don't have to. We don't know yet.
We need to have the Irish cadets.
I'm sorry?
Yes, the Irish cadets for the funeral. Jack loved them. He saw them perform in Dublin last summer.
Mrs. Kennedy, we'll make sure of it.
Those bagpipers from Scotland we just had, what were they called, Kenny?
Yeah, the Black Watch.
The Black Watch, that's right, the Black Watch pipers.
When we arrive, we'll be exiting the rear of the plane. You, the President, President Johnson.
Why the
that is-
rear?
There's press and actors, not to mention the security.
Am I supposed to hide away now?
Not hide.
Oh, I'm sure those people would love that. What do they call themselves? The Birch Society? No, I will not sneak out the back door. I will go out the usual way. We all will.
I'll arrange it.
When we land, Mrs. Kennedy, we'll need to proceed directly to the hospital for the autopsy.
The autopsy. Is that necessary?
I'm afraid it's required.
By whom?
The law, Mrs. Kennedy.
And what exactly will they do?
I'm not sure of the time.
What does an autopsy entail? I want you to explain to me. I want to hear all the details. I'm his what? Whatever I am now. I want all the details. What will they slice him open?
Darling, can I send somebody to help you change before we land? All those cameras, people will be watching.
There were wanted posters everywhere for Jack, with Jack's face on them. Let them see what they've done.
Jack?
Sir, there's a car waiting on the tarmac. Take you, Mrs. Kennedy, to Bethesda.
Mrs. Kennedy and I will ride with the casket and ambulance.
Valenti wants to know how we're going to handle the exit.
Exit?
He says Johnson wants to talk to the press.
He can do whatever he wants. I'm leaving now.
The casket will be closed, won't it? The funeral.
We'll sort all that out later.
I want it closed so badly, Bobby.
I'm not sure it can be if I had to stay.
There was blood everywhere. There are so many pieces.
Jackie.
I tried to hold his head together.
Hey,
slow down.
The president was lying motionless in the car. Mrs. Kennedy was leaning over him alone. Governor Connolly was leaning back in the seat holding his stomach roped in. Inside the emergency room, the hospital said the first lady splattered with blood and without a word.
Jackie. Come on.
Make sure they make him look like himself. Where are the children?
There was Maud. She's taken them to the house in Georgetown.
I'd rather them at home. Their routine shouldn't be disrupted.
Yes, of course, Mary. I'll see to it.
What do they know?
That cannot be waived. For me, it is a deep...
Need some rest.
Oh.
Is there some water?
To be some silly little communist. I mean, if he'd been killed for civil rights, then at least it would have meant something, you know? Jack warned me. Jack said, we were going in that country. But I thought it was going well. Fort Worth and Houston. I kept all the problems that Adler had. Jack was winning them over. They handed me yellow roses every step. And Dallas.
Yeah, let's turn this off. I want to show Grace. They're already asking about the funeral arrangements.
President Johnson met Secretary of State Rusk. Minutes later, there was a hastily added conference with Secretary of Defense McNamara. Even at a time of sorrow, the harsh facts of the Cold War do not allow a pause in overseeing the affairs of defense and foreign policy. There seems little doubt that McNamara will stay on under Mr. Johnson. The new president has often...
Lyndon's people are claiming I told him to take the oath in Dallas. Asshole couldn't wait, now they're blaming me for it.
Excuse me, do you know who James Garfield was?
No, ma'am.
Do you know who William McKinley was, what he did? They were both U.S. presidents killed while they were in office. And Lincoln, do you know what he did?
He won the Civil War. He abolished slavery, man.
That's right. Thank you. Bobby, please tell Bella I want the books on Lincoln, about his funeral.
You'll have to share something personal eventually. People won't stop asking until you do.
And if I don't, they'll interpret my silence however they want. Her brow furrows. Her lips are drawn. She holds back her tears, but she can't hide her anger.
Writers want to be famous.
You want to be famous?
No, I am fine as I am, thank you.
You should prepare yourself. This article will bring you a great deal of attention.
Oh, in that case, any advice for me?
Yes. Don't marry the president. Are you afraid I'm about to cry again?
No, I say you're more likely to scream.
Scream what?
My husband was a great man.
Lincoln's funeral cortege departed the White House, progressed along Pennsylvania Avenue to the Capitol, and the next day returned to the White House. Then they walked all the way to St. Matthew's in a long, grand procession. It was a sunny spring day.
Only 600 tickets were allotted, but thousands lined the streets and rooftops. Citizens, senators, congressmen, diplomats, officers, all in their full-dress uniforms. Lincoln's mount, Old Bob, was draped in a black blanket with white trim and tassels. Hooded, he was led riderless at the head of a miles-long procession by the Reverend Henry Brown.
Oh, I can feel Jack getting angry with this. There you go, spending all that money on those silly knickknacks. The man would spend whatever it took for votes, but balked at buying a beautiful painting. We don't have to worry about that anymore. Must get this right, Bill. Must get this right. Has to be beautiful. Did you tell them we need a horse-drawn carriage? We have to march with Jack. Everyone. A big, beautiful procession that people will remember.
Mrs. Kennedy, you don't have to do this.
Do what?
In fact, I don't think they'll let you parade through the streets. The world's gone mad. You should take the children and disappear. Build a fortress in Boston and never look back.
Mrs. Kennedy? Are the children awake? They're playing in Caroline's room. How do I do this?
Oh, dear. It doesn't matter what you say. Just hug them and tell them it will be okay.
Mommy, why are you just so funny?
Because something very sad has happened. And this is how we dress when something sad happens.
Mommy, where's Daddy?
Daddy's not coming home.
Why not?
Daddy had to go see a baby brother, Patrick, in heaven.
Why?
Because I'm here with you. We don't want Patrick to get lonely, do we?
But what about us?
Caroline, I need you to be a big girl. You can be brave, right? You can be a soldier. A very bad man hurt Daddy. Daddy would come home if he could. But he can't. He has to go to heaven.
Can I say goodbye?
Yes, of course you can, my love.
Let your ears be attentive to my cry for mercy. If you, O Lord, kept the record of sins, O Lord, who can stand? But with you there is forgiveness. Therefore you are feared. I wait for the Lord. My soul waits.
Excuse me. Mother. Jackie.
Have you started on the guest list for the burial?
The what?
You'll need to pare it down, dear. We can't possibly accommodate all these people at Brookline.
Mr. Kennedy, we need to discuss the funeral, sir. We all want to follow her lead, but we still don't know much about this Oswald. There may be co-conspirators.
I'll talk to him. But she makes the call.
There's also the matter of the Oval.
What do you want me to do first? Plan the funeral or pack the furniture?
I know this is all delicate. That's why I'm approaching you. But a procession is insane.
Brooklyn, the family plot. Well, I assume Jack will be buried with the rest of us.
Crowd full of people, given what's happened. I just can't have my president walking.
Your president?
My president.
Well, regardless of what happens, my brother's going to be carried in a box.
And I am sorry, sir.
Fuck off, Jack.
Errol Harriman owns at least 4 properties in Georgetown. I'm sure he can loan out one of them.
I'll have Sarge look into it. I'm sure we have time. Can't expect us to move immediately, can they?
Of course not. Don't be silly.
Lincoln's widow died destitute. She moved back to Illinois. Had to sell all her furniture. And the Van Burens and the Tylers, too. She auctioned it off piece by piece. Just to keep a roof over her head.
But that won't happen to you.
And the collectors we bought it from. Remember, Bill and I, we had to haggle up every sofa, every chair. If I sell some of it back now, maybe I can put John and Caroline through school.
This staircase goes up to the 2nd floor, which I know are reserved for the private living of the president and his family. I don't think any television cameras or motion picture cameras have ever gone up there, because that's where you live.
That's right. Here is what the White House did to President Lincoln. Here is how he changed. 1861, the strong man with the arched eyebrow. 1885, 1 week before his assassination.
Mrs. Kennedy, do you spend a great deal of time in the Lincoln Room?
It was where we lived when we first came here, when our rooms at the other end of the hall were being painted.
It's a nice room. Was this a bedroom during Lincoln's time?
No, Lincoln's cabinet room.
Are all the pieces from Lincoln's time?
Yes, they are. The most famous one, of course, is the Lincoln bed. It was bought by Mrs. Lincoln, along with the dressing bureaus and chair and this table. She bought a lot of furniture for this house, which made her husband rather cross because he thought she spent too much money. And on the table is the Gettysburg Address. This is probably the greatest treasure in this room. And this sofa and these 2 chairs, they were sold in that Lincoln sale I was telling you about, that Mrs. Lincoln sold. And they went to England, and then through the descendants of the man who brought them there.
Here it comes, here it comes.
Bobby.
Here it comes out down the aisle again. I really don't know what the situation is. Nobody has told me anything except that I'm accused of...
I don't mean to upset you, Mother, but Brookline is no place to bury a president.
I do request for someone to come forward to give me a legal assistance.
Did you kill the president?
No, I've not been charged with that. In fact, nobody has said that to me yet. The first thing I heard was when the newspaper reporters in the hall
Welcome to Arlington, Mrs. Kennedy.
Thank you.
third option is just over there at the base of that hill. That's too low.
What do you think, Kevin?
Get rid of the leaves sometime. Well, the problem there isn't just the leaves, it's the access roads. There are going to be 10,000 people. That's what I'm saying. It just
Jackie?
can't handle the crowd.
Jackie. Where are we going?
Just be buried anywhere. He deserves more.
Understand. You all right?
Shoes sticking.
I think maybe you should talk to a priest.
Maybe. Bobby, I want to talk to the press.
No. No, you let Dave handle that.
You know, that first night Bob McNamara said he'd buy back our house for us in Georgetown. I have things. I don't have things. I don't even have a home.
What about this house?
This? It's awfully cold.
Well, you could light a fire, invite people over. The parties that you threw at the White House, nobody had ever seen anything like that. Private concerts with artists, friends, drinking champagne and singing.
You're suggesting I throw a party?
No, not now, obviously, but no. I'm only suggesting that you have, that you've brought life to a cold house before.
That house was not mine. Neither is this one. Nothing's ever mine. Not to keep, anyway.
Leaving that house must have been very difficult.
A first lady must always be ready to pack her suitcases. It's inevitable.
We found beds for almost all the family. In Truman's Blair house. It was a brief crisis about him not having a driver, but Ike offered his. We're running a bed and breakfast. And Lyndon just wants to move into the Oval. He wants to address Congress. I'll hold him off as long as I can, but it has to happen sooner or later. We're worried about an outdoor procession. They think it's a security risk. Jackie, they think it's a security risk. Everyone's spooked. Apparently even states discouraging foreign dignitaries from attending. It's 8 city blocks to St. Matthews. And that's a long way to be strolling through crowds. All those rooftops, all those windows.
Bobby, it's our last chance. We have to march with him.
It's true. It's true. The Crown has made it clear. The climate must be perfect all the year. A law was made a distant moon ago here. July and August cannot be too hot. And there's a legal limit to the snow here in Camelot. The winter is forbidden to December, and exits March the 2nd on the dot. By all the summer lingers to September in Camelot. After sundown, by 8 the morning fog must disappear. Each folk is simply not a more congenial spot for happy ever aftering than here in Camelot.
How would you write that?
She lights yet another cigarette and explains through her soft sobs that Jack wasn't perfect, but he was perfect for our country. And I ask about his flaws, and she explains.
Perfect people can't change. Jack was always getting better, stronger. Sometimes he would walk into the desert alone, just to let himself be tempted by the devil. He always come back to us, his beloved family. And I don't smoke. I shouldn't say these things.
That's why we're here, isn't it? Talk about what happened.
Is this a confession?
Oh, only if there's something you regret.
Everyone knows my story.
God isn't interested in stories. He's interested in the truth.
I came here looking for sympathy, Father.
Of course.
Father, are you listening?
I'm listening. Yes, I think so.
I think God is cruel.
Oh, now you're getting into trouble. God is love. And God is everywhere.
Was he in the bullet that killed Jack?
Absolutely.
Is he inside me now?
Yes, of course he is.
Well, that's a funny game he plays, hiding all the time.
The fact that we don't understand him isn't funny at all.
There's a heaven and there's your God. It's all his empty promises. What kind of God takes a father from his 2 little children?
Our Lord sacrificed his only son.
And my 2 babies. Arabella in the womb, and Patrick, 39 hours on Earth. Just long enough to fall in love with him. What did I do to deserve that?
No.
Jack and I hardly ever spent the night together. Not even that last night in Fort Worth.
Your husband loved you, Mrs. Kennedy, I'm sure of it.
I seem to remember there being more to our vows. Don't look at me like that. I was First Lady of the United States. Women have endured far worse for far less. There are two kinds of women. Those who want power in the world, those who want power in bed. Of course, now what am I left with? When men see me now, what do you think they feel?
Sadness. Compassion. Desire, maybe. You're still a young woman, Mrs. Kennedy.
I used to make them smile. No one understands the pain he was in and how loyal he was to some of his friends who were so crude. Jack wasn't, of course, but he could get caught up in it. Still, he was a great father. I picture him on that rocking chair in his office, Caroline and John at his feet. How could I hate him?
Take comfort in those memories.
I can't. They're mixed up with all the others. You have the latest list from the State Department? The dignitaries planning to attend the funeral.
Oh, yes. I have it right here. General de Gaulle, Prince Philip, even the Soviet foreign minister.
More than we were expecting.
Oh, yes. There's dozens of names.
Good. Will you read them to me?
Yes. From the United Nations, there's Paul Hoffman, Managing Director, David B. Vaughan, the King of Belgium, Denmark, the Crown Prince George, Bulgaria, the Deputy Minister for Foreign Affairs, the candidates, the Prime Minister, Lester B. Pearson, Austria, the Chancellor. I don't think you should just try it without it.
We've been together a long time, haven't we, Nancy?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I used to worry that you might be jealous of me.
Oh, stop it.
No, you never did anything to make me feel that way. But I worried after I married Jack, after he won the election. Now that seems ridiculous. Anyone being jealous of me. Buried 2 children. Now I'm burying my husband.
You know, I was jealous of that dress you wore in Vienna. I know that it's hard to see it right now, but you have your whole life ahead of you.
That's a terrible thing to say.
You do.
Terrible, terrible thing to say.
But you do. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What will you do now?
Oh, I'll stay with you.
You won't go anywhere?
No, I'm not going anywhere. I don't have anywhere to go. Those kids are so lucky to have you.
No, they're not lucky at all. They're not lucky. I'm scared, Nancy. I'm scared. I'm scared.
I know. I know.
Now, at the Capitol, where the president's body will lie in state throughout the remainder of the day after it has been removed from the White House, there will be 3 short speeches or series of remarks, actually, I suppose,
I'm told
before the
any
public
moment.
is allowed to start viewing the body. To Dallas, Texas, and Tom Pettit.
There is the president.
There is Lee Oswald. He's been shot. He's been shot. Lee Oswald has been shot. There's the man with a gun. It's absolute.
Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Will you look at me?
Mommy, it's my birthday.
Not yet, dear.
But why am I wearing my party clothes?
Special Agent Hill, whenever Mrs. Kennedy's ready.
Good. We're nearly done here. It's the strangest thing. I hardly remember anything after. But I read about what you did in the papers, and I just wanted to thank you.
We gotta get a handle on this thing. We gotta get involved. Yes, sir. This is making us look like a bunch of guys. Marions.
Mrs. Kennedy is on her way down with the children.
In the television hall. You're not to speak a word of this. Understood? I'll tell Jackie when the time is right. Sit down.
Excuse me?
Sit down.
What do you remember? Will you tell me everything? I need to hear.
Miss Kennedy.
Wait.
I was 10 yards back when I heard the first shot. And as my eyes crossed the prison's car, Miss Kennedy,
Keep going.
I had to get to you, put myself between you, the president, and the shooter.
Who was it? Was it that Oswald?
They think so.
I need to talk to him. I need to talk to him.
I don't know about that, Miss Kennedy.
The children are ready. Shall I take them downstairs to ride with Maud?
I would like them to come with me.
But the press is out front, so
Their father is leaving this house for the last time. They should be there to say goodbye to him.
But the cameras, those pictures are being broadcast to every corner of the world.
Those pictures should record the truth. 2 heartbroken, fatherless children are part of that. You can tell them I'm ready to leave with Caroline and Joan.
Yes, Mrs. Kennedy.
Nancy.
Yes.
I'm not the First Lady anymore. You can call me Jackie.
I will.
Caroline, you ready, sweetheart? My brave girl. No. Oh, John. Let me take I value my privacy. I always have.
And yet, in the days after, directly after, something seemed to change.
In what way?
Before the funeral, the day you moved the casket to the Capitol, well, your children were on full display for the whole world to see.
Well, what are you insinuating? That I exploited them?
Oh, no, of course not. I just,
Present!
only wondering if you ever considered to do more to shield them. I think that most people would have done.
We aren't most people. Most people don't have to make decisions like that hours after watching their husband get murdered next to them. Well, Lyndon, what an awful way to begin your presidency.
Are you saying it was a mistake?
No. Of course not. dare you? They murdered him inside the jail. These people can get to anyone. How dare you keep that from me? You have no right.
I didn't know
the children,
ceremony at
I
the
took
Capitol.
them out the front door. This is all
Are you-
insanity. You and your brother, all these years, all your goddamn secrets.
That's
Caroline
not
and John
fair.
are all I have left, and I put them in danger because of you.
I would never put you at risk.
You can't know that. You think you all control everything, that you have the world on puppet strings. And you're ridiculous. And I let myself believe it. Oh, this parade, who's it really for? For Jack? One more campaign stop along the way to the grave? Lyndon's people are right. It's not worth it. It's not worth risking people's lives. You tell them we're calling it off. We're motorcade to the cathedral, the back way, and then we'll bury him and we put an end to all this. I don't give it to him anymore. I don't.
I would never put you and the children
I
in
know
danger.
you think I'm some silly little debutante.
Listen to
You
me.
don't protect me anymore.
I would never put you and the children in danger.
You don't know anything. I lie awake at night, and all I can think is, I should have been a shop girl or a stenographer. I should have married an ordinary, lazy, ugly man.
Let me share with you a parable. Jesus once passed a blind beggar on a road, and his disciples asked, who sinned, this man or his parents, that he should be born blind? And Jesus said, neither this man nor his parents sinned. He was made blind so that the works of God could be revealed in him. And with that, he placed mud on his eyes and told him to wash in the pool of Siloam. And the man did, and he came back seeing. Right now, you are blind, not because you have sinned, but because you have been chosen, so that the works of God can be revealed in you.
It's perfect.
We installed it while you were away. I thought it'd be a nice surprise for you and the president.
It changes everything. And the treaty room?
Hunter Green. Exactly as you imagined it.
I wish Jack. Who knows if he would have cared? I lost track somewhere. What was real? What was performance?
Well, he was the president.
You were right earlier. I'm not going to march tomorrow. I won't put people in danger on account of my vanity.
I was scared for you. I still am. But I never thought it was vanity.
You know, that's what Jack called all this. When he saw what we were spending, he said, your little vanity project's going to bankrupt the federal government.
People need their history. It gives them strength. They need to know that real men actually lived here. Not ghosts and storybook legends. People who faced adversity and overcame it. What you've done in this house matters.
That's kind of you, Bill. Even I'm starting to lose him. Pretty soon, he'll just be another oil portrait lining these hallways. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear John.
spoke to Johnson. Tomorrow, it's being handled. Everyone will ride. No procession.
I'm sorry, Bobby. Do you think Lincoln's widow knew?
What?
That we'd build a monument to her husband? Why is this room so peaceful?
Peaceful? I don't know. Every time I walk by this room, I'm reminded that on January 1st, 1863, an ordinary man signed a document that freed 4 million people from slavery. So, I don't think of it so much as peaceful, as a place of profound legacy. And it's too bad that our house is totally fucking wasted.
Bobby.
What?
Bobby, watch your mouth.
What did we accomplish? Huh? We're just the beautiful people, right? Isn't that what we are?
Bobby.
Because what did we truly accomplish? Maybe Jack will be remembered for the way he handled the missile crisis, or maybe he'll be remembered for having created a crisis that he was then forced to solve. We could have done so much. Civil rights, a space program. Vietnam, now Johnson gets to handle Vietnam. We teed it up then. He gets to knock it down. I shouldn't have pushed him so hard on Castro.
You can't do that, Bobby.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me?
History's harsh. In no time. We're ridiculous. Look at you. I'm sorry.
How do you like your new office?
Mrs. Kennedy, come in. Sorry, I'm just doing my job, ma'am.
Of course you are. I remember when we won the election. It was so overwhelming.
Well, we're doing just fine. Everyone's thoughts are with you right now.
Oh, that's very kind of you. I've come to discuss tomorrow.
The Attorney General relayed to me your desire for a more modest ceremony.
I've changed my mind.
I'm sorry?
I said I've changed my mind. We will have a procession, and I will walk to the cathedral with the casket.
Well, even if we could resume the arrangements, I'm sure you can understand the Secret Service still has their concerns.
I'm President Johnson.
President Johnson would like nothing more than to fulfill your wishes, but I have to take into account his safety. The country couldn't endure another blow should any... It's not to say, if it were up to him, he would do anything that might bring you comfort.
And who is it up to, Mr. Valenti?
Well, as I'm sure you know, tomorrow we're expecting close to 100 heads of state.
103.
Yes, I'm sure that's right, and I suspect they'll make all their own decisions.
Based on what?
There's a great deal of classified intelligence that I just can't get into. We've intercepted a threat against General de Gaulle from our assets in Geneva. I'm afraid if he refuses to march, others may follow.
I understand.
As I said, Mrs. Kennedy, I wish there were more we could do to accommodate your wishes. I'm terribly sorry.
Don't be. You and the Johnsons have already done so much.
Good day, Mrs. Kennedy.
Mr. Valenti, would you mind getting a message to all our funeral guests when they land?
Of course.
Inform them that I will walk with Jack tomorrow. Alone, if necessary. And tell General de Gaulle that if he wishes to ride in an armored car, or in a tank for that matter, I won't blame him. And I'm sure the tens of millions of people watching won't either.
Why are you doing this, Mrs. Kennedy?
Oh, I'm just doing my job. Would you like to write this down?
Do you think I should?
I do. We all live on far after our deaths. Presidents will come and go, and every one of them will look up to Jack for guidance, for inspiration.
What do you say to those who say he didn't deserve it? The scale of it. I mean, he was a great president, but he didn't win the Civil War, for instance.
It was a funeral for the President of the United States.
Your husband drove cars. He didn't ride horses.
Yes, and there should have been more of them. There should be more horses, more soldiers, more crying, more cameras.
I'm guessing you won't allow me to write any of that.
No. Because I never said that. Perhaps Jack didn't have time to defeat communism. But I do seem to recall...
With all due respect, you were at the center of it all, Mrs. Kennedy. And I'd imagine it's impossible to have any perspective from that vantage point, but I can assure you that it was a spectacle.
They wanted to share my grief, so I let them. But after I realized that all the pageantry, all the demands I made to honor him, it wasn't for Jack or his legacy. before we moved the casket to the Capitol, do you know what I wrote? That I wanted to die.
I understand.
Do you?
I do. Unless you're asking my permission.
No, only crass, self-indulgent people kill themselves. No, I was just hoping that if I walked down the street next to Jack's body, maybe someone would be kind enough to do it for me.
In front of the whole world. Famous life, famous death.
But I never wanted fame. I just became a Kennedy. Told everyone that I can't remember. It's not true. I can remember. I can remember everything. The first bullet, both. And both. I could have saved him. I should have known it was a gunshot. I should have shielded him. I tried to stop the bleeding, but when we got to the hospitals... Every night since I prayed to die. Oh God, let me be with my husband.
I see the souls of the faithful find rest. Be pleased to bless this grave.
Can I look?
It's just, it hasn't...
You don't write very legibly, do you?
You left your mark on this country, Mrs. Kennedy, these past few days. That's the story. Losing a president is it's like losing a father, and you were a mother to all of us, and that's a very good story. The entire country watched the funeral from beginning to end. Decades from now, people will remember your dignity and the majesty. They'll remember you.
It will serve a definite purpose. My husband has so many meetings up here in this part of the house.
Or the men who wait to see him now sit in the hall. The baby carriages going by them.
so they can sit in here and have a conference around this table waiting for him.
Well, he's going to come in, President. Well, Mrs. Stone, Mrs. Kennedy has been showing us about the White House and all the changes that she's made therein. What do you think of the changes that she's made?
Well, I think the great effort that she's made has been to bring us much more intimately in contact with all the men who lived here. Of course, I think anyone who comes to the White House as a president desires the best for his country, but I think he does receive a stimulus from the knowledge of living in close proximity to the people who are legendary, but who actually were alive and were in these rooms.
Everything will be held in storage until you decide where to settle.
There's one last thing. It's more important than all the rest. You know, every night before bed, we had this old Victrola, and we listened to a couple records. His favorite was Camelot.
The musical?
Oh, I'm so ashamed of myself. Every quote out of Jack's mouth was either Greek or Roman. And that last song, that last side of Camelot is all that keeps running through my mind. Don't let it be forgot that for one brief, shining moment, there was a Camelot. Oh, Jack loved history. It's what made him what he was. Just imagine he's a little boy with scarlet fever in bed reading history, King Arthur and the Knights of the Round Table. It's what Camelot's about. Ordinary men banding together to fight for a better world. Don't misunderstand me. Jack wasn't naive, but he had ideas. Ideas he could rally others to believe in.
Will those ideals slip on?
Sure they will. Of course, there will be great progress. There will be other great presidents. The Johnsons have been so generous to me. There won't be another Camelot. Not another Camelot.
Why are you really here?
Because I needed to talk.
You say that you pray every night to die. That your children have no use for you. You wish only to be with your husband. And yet, I'm not burying you today. There comes a time in man's search for meaning when one realizes that there are no answers. And when you come to that horrible, unavoidable realization, you accept it or you kill yourself. Or you simply stop searching. I have lived a blessed life. And yet every night when I climb into bed, turn off the lights and stare into the dark, I wonder, is this all there is?
You wonder?
Every soul on this planet does. But then when morning comes, we all wake up and make a pot of coffee.
Why do we bother?
Because we do. You did this morning. You will again tomorrow. But God, in His infinite wisdom, has made sure it is just enough for us.
Once more, Mrs. Kennedy has expressed her desire to reinter the bodies of the 2 children they lost to rest alongside their father. You got that part right. She wants them to always remember, for one brief, shining moment, there was a... Yeah, Camelot. Yeah. I hope you have a good night, Mrs. Kennedy.
He wrote down every word.
Did it help heal you?
It's been reprinted all over the world. Maybe that's what they'll all believe now, Camelot. People like to believe in fairy tales.
And you? Do you believe you did him justice?
I believe that the characters we read about on the page end up being more real than the men who stand beside us. I should have guessed that it was too much to ask that we grow old together, see our children grow up.
The darkness may never go away, but it won't always be this heavy. Come. They're waiting for us at Arlington.
Each evening, from December to December, before you drift to sleep upon your cot, think back on all the tales that you remember of Camelot. Ask every person if he's heard the story, and tell it strong and clear if he has not.
So happy that he could be proud. Because then I was having a baby and I could campaign. And then we got in the White House and all the things I'd always done. Suddenly, it became wonderful. Because if anything the First Lady does that is different, everyone seizes on. And I was just so happy for Jack that he could be proud of me. So those were our happiest years.
Where once it never rained till after sundown. By 8 a.m. the morning fog had flown. Don't let it be forgot that once there was a spot for one brief shining moment.
started here, at the foot of Mount Kenya. Just steps away from an adventure, in a place you can call home. In this young, creative town, a place where you can afford to learn. Where we walk together and don't get lost in the crowd. Where great minds come together, a place where we can learn together. And your experience broadens your mind. A place to build new friendships to lean on. A place where you can be at your best. At work and at play. A place where we give back to the community and the environment. A place where you can be empowered to make a difference, to see yourself differently, to discover who you are and how to live your faith along this journey. Come, let's learn together. Karibu Embu College. January 2018 intake ongoing. Register in School of ICT, School of Education, School of Humanities and Social Sciences, School of Business and Accounting. Qualification for certificate, D plain, diploma, C-.
Africa Pooling Resources Together na APRT Sacco ni sacco iretongere chekiri kuweza na loan na interest ya nthiguruguru ya 1%. No urugure account yaku kurukira thimu yaku ya njara. Itakire M-Pesa yaku, lipa na M-Pesa, buy goods and services. Ikira till number neo 666-741-666-741 na yumene ikira kiwango kiambe cha kuma shilingi 100. Turiongere obisine cietu Nairobi, Koinange Street, Sianda House, ngoroba ya izire, room number 201. Kurukino wate motungata zetu kiri Equity Bank na Cooperative Bank. No turingire thimu kurukira namba iji 0722163283 kana 0722438372 kana 0722438205 kana 0722452612. Kwina kanya gwicindira biewa kire baraba karugura akaunti biewa ja mibira, t-shirt, radio, TV, home theater, bikibiki o amona kirenditi ikiathimu. Nkuruki kwina mpesa baribari cia gucindanirwa za 2,500 na shilingi 7,500 na kiewa kiragi kinene ni shilingi milioni 2 na nkuruki ukethirwa ukewa bonasi ya 2% o mweri kiri mbesa iria ukethirwa wikite.
Sharam Home Primary Boarding School, San Francisco Secondary School,
Padisal Matetu Polytechnic.
Iskuru ila hirerungura kanisa ya Kathrak, Mitongo Parish, ili tongere tone batiri monene jawe Fadagachiata. Sharam Home Primary Boarding, tone na nasari monka class 8. San Francisco Secondary School, tone na form 1 monka form 4.
Padisal Matetu Polytechnic.
Itogataga mtu ande ogeni urehori na ubatu bokudha makosi staiji. Terarin kana gotuma, electrical kana kuthondeka stima, machinery kana wakiba maiga, wiring kana koethiria. Ititaraga kinya computer.
Padisal Matetu Polytechnic.
Tutungatagira ritobeto na gontogo kuthongi kwa kumama, kuria na guchethera. Ujokania bwetu ni mweri jwa January na September. turi kilomita 1 kuma Mitongo Market. Kumenya manto nkoroki na uringe thimo gukurukira 07212609.
St. Agnes Day and Boarding School Marega is the ideal school for your sons and daughters. We are located 3 kilometers off Mulika Marega Road from Mikindori town. Our environment is safe and serene for the growth of your child. Our teachers are qualified, ensuring good education for the kid. We have boarding classes from class 4 to class 8 and day scholars from baby class to class 3. We teach the following subjects: English, Mathematics, Kiswahili, Science, Social Studies, and Computer Studies. Our interviews are ongoing. For more information, call us through the following numbers: 0725977114 or 0708500144.
Naitwa Kanampi Wema, mwalimu mkuu shule ya Mtakatifu Agnesi ambayo inapatikana umbali wa kilomita 3 tu kutoka Mikindori. Tuna malipo ya karo ambayo yanaweza gharamiwa na mzazi wa tabaka lolote, basi la shule la kuweza kuwasafirisha watoto wetu, na pia walimu waliohitimu ambao makazi yao ni mule shuleni ili kuweza kuhakikisha wanayakidhi mahitaji ya watoto wa bweni na pia wale wa kutwa. Karibuni.
St. Agnes Day and Boarding School Marega, my education, my life, my future.
This is Bonga 254.
Every season, make your way the reason. You can't stay. For every season, right through every season.
Jina itina JJ kumbuka.
Mimi ya msitaps
hapa. Tunakwambia once again karibu ndani ya Bonga 254. Tulikwambia
ukitaka na mahali pa kuanza weekend yako mzuri. Ndani ya Bonga 254 mazee.
My Friday inawasha mbaya.
Yeah, unasikia nani? Mimi nasikia muziki wetu.
MC Tabs is a real presenter bwana, au wengine ni kama tudhigiriri. Yes, sasa hii ni Bonga 254 tuna watch bwana. Usijaribu kugusa hiyo dial manake unaweza pigwa radi, hata ukiekelea kidole hivi unasikia inawasa bwana, ni radi. Ni nini? Dhidhima.
Meru University of Science and Technology ni skuru ya kirasi kegoro na nitikiritwe ni thirikari na ni skuru ya muingi kana public university. Meru University of Science and Technology kana most iri kilomita 15 wake kuma mutindo wa Jokangangi parabanene ya Meru gweta mawa. Korokituri na Roangi Meru Town area Hat Towers na inge iri Marimba Meru. Meru University of Science and Technology kana most iba kukugwata ugeni kiri baraba kwenda chiandikithia kuthoma certificate, diploma, degree, masters oamwe na PhD. Intake kana ujukania bo mwaka wa 2018 January ni bwitite na mbere kiri courses mwanya za agriculture and food science, business and economics, computing and informatics, education science, engineering and architecture, health sciences, nursing oamwe na pure and applied sciences. Paruga chia kujukania ibatere kujukua main campus area Nchiru na Meru Town campus area at Towers. Ukienda manto nkuruki na wetekire email yetu nio admission@must.ac.ke kana ugeta kire mutandao wetu jo website nio www.must.ac.ke kana otoringere thimu gukurukira namba iji nio 0712 524 293 kana 0799529958 chiandikithie kiri inteki ya Januari mwaka 2018. Meru University of Science and Technology, a world-class university of excellence in science and technology.
Kinagua ni kugoswa ni antu ubawe ni bwega kugosa na nkinya gukumia Murungu tontonekyo itumikiria atumbire tutithagia watanira na Mr. Kel bari na Emmy Kim ontuku cia Jumapili kana kiumia kwambiria thaa 8 cia muthenya nginya thaa 10 cia muthenya aria bukethirwa bukitharimwa amwe ni untu ububwega kwithirwo kiambiria o kiumia na kirathimo kumania kiri Murungu tiange tiga kiri mubango jwa Gospel Connect ndani ya TV ya Meru TV.
Mpenzi mtazamaji wa Meru TV, karibu sana kwenye show Gospel Connect. Jina langu ni Kelly
na mimi Emmy Kim. Natumai umekuwa na wiki ya baraka. Karibu kwenye show. Tunawaletea muziki ya baraka na kubariki moyo wako unapoanza wiki mpya.
Kumbuka ni katika Gospel Connect ndani ya Meru TV. Usikose.
Mighty God, hallowed be the name. Faithful God, you are worthy to receive all the praise. For you alone, that I breathe, the song that I sing. You're the lover of my soul. With you.
University ni sukuru ya mwingi irene university ya kenda kwithire kiambirwa acha nthigurune na ni izire kwithirwa itikiritwe ni thirikari ira yambirirwe mwaka wa 2004. Chuka University turi Tharaka Nithi County, Meru South District, Eastern Province. Turi barabara nene ya kuma Nairobi kuijaja Meru, kilomita 1 kuma Chuka town na njara ya Umuthu. Sukuru yetu ina kanya kanene ga kuthomera, twina mashini cia Kinande iria irekirira borotari cietu na kinya library cia Kinande. Na rira aritwa betu bateira cine, twina antu aega kunogoka na kinya agucethera. Sukuru yetu ina mareija nthiguru aria twina aritwa bakuma county cionthe 47 na kinya ome ya nthiguru. Ya sukuru yetu ni tuthomithagia Faculty of Agriculture and Environmental Studies, Faculty of Education Resources Development, Faculty of Business Studies, Faculty of Arts and Humanities na ingi inyingi. Tutigirite ati kwina ukaria ba ugima bwa mwiri kiri aritwa betu amwe na ageni betu kirene gintu kia bata muno kiri batwi. Irasi betu bya kina mwakirejo Kinande na nitutete na mena wakanguruki kenda tutigira aritwa betu ba kuthoma bwega. Leta mwana waku aja Chuka University na aria ume ni utonga.
My name is Professor Erastus Nyaganjoka, the Vice Chancellor of Chuka University. I would like to welcome all people from the 47 counties of Kenya and also from other countries to come and study in this big institution.
Nyomba ya kina into bibiega bya quality ya iguru ni ndongi. Nekyo Arona Yuben Sons Limited turiaja ni untu bwaku
kanjo kekanyaga kugwata ugeni na kubumenyithia ati Arona Yuben Sons Limited jayo the glass people in Meru ni thamite na ndia uma mutindwa aria twire kwina muskiti yeja makuta
nyuma yetu kuthama mutindo ajokangangi na ndi turi barabarene nene ya maua akue na White Star Hotel opposite Superloaf Makutano. Aja gwetu ni tuendagia mabati ja quality ya iguru ja MRM kana mabati rolling mills, chuma cha gwaka, plain block boards, veneered block boards, MDF boards, gypsum boards beyond bekuma Kenya na kinya ome ya nthiguru. Nitwendagia kinya mirango ya kinande zayo panel doors amwe na kinya flash doors. Ukienda gwaka obisi yaku kana nyomba yaku rangi, Aruna U Bensons Limited nitwendagia rangi tape cionthe irigatigira nyomba yaku kana obisi yaku ni thongi. Ukienda kinya kuirigira nja yaku na thigenki no uturiungire. Aja gwetu twina kinya tel cia mithemba yonthe ijasaj cia kuma ome ya nthiguru. Nitwendagia kinya bioni bia nyomba, bioni bia ngari arawekagirwa bioni bibi utheri wagura amwe na kinya bioni bia 3 mm mwanka bioni bia 10 mm na kinya ukenda kuga nyomba yaku no weze aja gwetu tugakwenderia into bionthe bia aluminium bia kugani nyomba amwe na into binge bibinge bire bigatigira obisi yaku nyomba yaku amwe na hoteli yaku ni thongi.
Na ndi aja kwa Aruna U Bensons Limited induke mwere ukarunga moka thibia shopping ya wa Kibunde kuma nyomba mwamberio mwanka mwisho. Bwega customers beto, karibuni sana kwa Aruna U Bensons Limited. Dukene njeru ireri opposite ya Superloop.
No turiungire ndukene yetu kana ugaturingira gukurukira 0722885511 kana 0722804751. Aruna U Bensons Limited netwe antu barabara nkuma kiri wendi abo bioni na into binge bibinge.
Karibuni sana Aruna U Bensons Limited.
We mwega mwiroreri wa video ino njitagwo Lea Mase na nenie ngoineire nyimbo ta icio waigua na ingĩ nyingĩ. Ũngĩenda rwĩmbo rwakwa o ruothe no ũgũre na njĩra ya M-Pesa. Oya thimũ yaku, ingĩra kwa M-Pesa, lipa na M-Pesa, buy good and services, wĩkĩre till number yakwa na nĩyo ĩno 825689 kana 825689. Ngai witũ akũrathime ũgĩthiĩ na mbere na kũnyitĩrĩra wĩini wakwa.
M-Song, tuma pesa pata ngoma.
Welcome to Meru Institute of Business Studies. We are a premier college providing students with academic programs, seminars, career guidance that offer a solid education with an entrepreneurship mindset. Our purpose is to train our students to be employers as opposed to job seekers. We offer certificate and diploma courses in business and accounting, information technology, journalism and media studies, beauty and hairdressing, hospitality and tourism, education and social studies, tailoring and dressmaking. Our vision is to be a center of entrepreneurship training and development in Kenya.
Welcome to our institution where we offer very market-driven courses. Our purpose is to coach and mentor you to be what you want to be. We'll help you to be an employer by offering you a free course on how to start and manage a business.
We have the top facilities. We are located centrally in Meru town, that is at Kamawe building, and our lecturers are very flexible. We have evening, morning classes, even as early as 6 a.m. We work on your talent, not your grade.
For more information, you can contact us on our telephone number 0720 967249 or 0720917521 or 0724721957.
Ũngĩenda rwĩmbo rwa Samirogo, oya thimũ yaku, ingĩra kwa M-Pesa, lipa na M-Pesa, buy good and services, wekere till number yake na niyo eno 723629. M-Song, tuma pesa, pata ngoma.
Oh yeah, etikia kanorege. Reu no ugure albumu ngima ya nyimbo inyanya guthie na iguru cia video. Reu no ugure albumu ngima ya nyimbo inyanya guthie na iguru cia video na kwanjia ciringi 50, 60 kana ciringi 100 kugerera M-Pesa till number. Kugura albumu ngima ya Jane Muthoni till number yake ni 825680. Toiga kugura albumu ngima ya Jane Muthoni till number yake ni 825680. Wigwatire albumu ngima ya Jane Muthoni.
Mabesha wigire rwimbo M-Songs, let the music speak.
My body is vibrating. It's cold but I'm sweating. Be a blanket for me. Your loving is all I need, yeah. Give it to me, give it to me. I like the way you they treat me, baby. Put it on me, put it on me. Baby, put all your loving on me, yeah. If I not gonna die for nobody, boy, I go die for you. Baby, I just wanna let you know, say I did value you. The way you are. This our love no get ending. This one shall no be pending. In fact, no pretending. My little fear when I bend it. Rock your body, give you body. You no go know when you call me honey. Spend the money, make we jolly jolly. Me and you, baby, so it go be. I declare to you the way you are. Say you know, say you know, say you know, say you know. I declare to you the way you are. Say you know, say you know, say you know, say you know. This love no get part two. I go left and both for you. We go enter fire for you. I go do all this for you. Give it to you, give it to you. Give it all up in a minute or two. Baby, now you, yes or now you. Baby, put all your love in on me, yeah. If I not gonna die for nobody, boy, I go die for you. Baby, I just wanna let you know, say I did value you. The way you are, say you know, say you know.
game over, more fire. A year pass go higher, we are rolling at the place like a border tire. You did da da da, did da da da. You did da da da, did da da da. You did da da da, me did da da da. You did da da da, did da da da. Ochimani kwa galanyo, na yembeda nkutyanyo. Bulikade lwenko gwako, omutima nga gukubagananyo. Mbiebi nkweguyanyo, na yolo mumbulu ebigambo. Nkusaba tofuka producer, nonza nyanga piano. You did da da da, did da da da. You did da da da, did da da da. You did da da da, me did da da da. You did da da da, did da da da. See the bam bam she loader, so me carry her like a doka. Tell a girl me no see the waiter, so me have to give you the soda. Girl I move like a helicopter, but tambuza about distraction. Girl a duster on another chapter, in a life and never be an actor. You did da da da, did da da da. You did da da da, did da da da. You did da da da, me did da da da. You did da da da, did da da da. Ochimani kwa galanyo, na yembeda nkutyanyo. Bulikade gwako, omutima nga gukubagananyo. Mbiebi nkweguyanyo, na yolo mumbulu ebigambo. Nkusaba tofuka producer, nonza nyanga piano. You did da da da, did da da da. You did da da da, did da da da. You did da da da, me did da da da. You did da da da, did da da da.
Starboy, Yaga, Washington, Yaga, Radio and Weasel, Washington. First time I met you, girl, my heart said go get you, girl. See, said the first time I met you, girl, said my heart said go get you, girl. Such a perfect ratio. This music beat is strong and steady. It's steady, steady, it's regatta. Your beauty accent is Rosando. That's why I do it in vibrato. Your beauty accent is Rosando.
Everybody asks me what the matter. Are you my girl at the matter? My trendsetter, girl, you burn like water. Girl, I never wanna see you cry no more. Hush, girl, hush, no worry no more. Wipe your tears, don't cry no more. I got your back, don't cry no more. Girl, I never wanna see you cry no more. Hush, girl, hush, no worry no more. I got your back, don't worry no more. Don't
time to get you, took time to let you know. Try to forget you, you're unforgettable. It's 24 hours in a day, I think about you more than 24 times. Try to not think about you, but you've been on my mind. I ain't got nothing for you at time. You always end up by my side. Through loving you, I need a time. I need a time. And I'm like, can I hit it like that? Like this, like that? You know. Can I kiss it like that? Like this, like that? Remember that? Love when it feels like that. I won't lie to you, no, no. Can I hit it like that? I've been waiting for you. I've been waiting on and on. Took time to find you. You left to go away. Must I remind you? Feelings won't go straight now. It's 24 hours in a day, I think about you more than 24 times. Try to not think about you, but you've been on my mind. I ain't got nothing for you at time. You always end up by my side. Through loving you, I need a time. I need a time. And I'm like, can I hit it like that? Like this, like that? You know. Can I kiss it like that? Like this, like that? Remember that? Love when it feels like that. I won't lie to you, no, no. Can I hit it like that? I've been waiting for I've been waiting. Oh yes, it's true, 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 true. I can be different for you, 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 you. Show me the things I gotta do, 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 do. I will be different for you, 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 you. Well.
Lumba, Abakambo, that I'm sorry. Yeah, Diginobi, Ogini, what happened? As I see your sexy face and your baby belly, girl, I have to change my ways, I tell you, yeah. Need myself, pray for my baby. Give up, I'm you carry belly for me, need myself, pray for my baby. Give up. Only fair, no more wrong. But then your father is violent. Only jumbo, jumbo, jumbo. We'll be fine, daddy. Your mother is black belt. She's a big galante. Jumbo, jumbo, jumbo. I beg no vex for me. Your father is violent. Only jumbo, jumbo, jumbo. We'll be fine, mommy. Your mother is black belt. Sabi galante, jumbo, jumbo, jumbo. I know this so no more. Amaka, you know, come on, Yoruba, let me know. If your papa no want us to marry, your woman no you. No, girl, I'm down for you, don't forget. The love me I get it for you, I'ma no go compare. Leave myself, for my girl, the baby broke as long as you love me. Girl, I dare ya. Leave myself, pray for my girl. Only fair, no more wrong. But then your father is violent. Only me there. Jumbo, jumbo, jumbo. You be fine, daddy. Your mother is black belt. She's a big galante. Jumbo, jumbo, jumbo. I beg no vex for me. Your father is violent. Ole mi dele oh. Jumbo, jumbo, jumbo. We'll be fine, mommy oh. The mother is black belt. She's a big character. Jumbo, jumbo, jumbo. I know that song no more.
Sing upon this quality boss.
Girl, you said that you would die for me. Oh yeah. And I said that we die for you. Oh nah. Don't let them change you. Don't let them change. Don't let them change you. Don't let them change. Girl, I'm gonna fix everything and fix anything, cause I wanna be with you. Oh yeah. Fix everything and fix anything, cause I wanna be with you. Nitafanya unachotaka, nitakupata niwe nawe. Unachotaka, nitakupata ili niwe nawe.
Oh baby, I love you. Oh I love you. If I don't love you, karo kana kula tabu. Oh baby, I love you. Oh I love you. If I don't love you, karo kana kula tabu. Aniko gym ndo nikae fiti for you. Naskuma wiki ndo ni safe cafe for you. A boy child inakula noma. Baby nisipokuwa ipita nitachoma. Ni wiki mbili mimi sitakuona. Punguza sinaputa tutengeneze boma. Oh baby, I'm addicted to you. Need you more than the air that I breathe. Hata nikitunga marigango. Oh baby, I love you. Oh I love you. If I don't love you, karo kana kula tabu. Oh baby, I love you. Oh I love you. If I don't love you, karo kana kula tabu. I wanna be the one that you run to. The one now what to do. The one that you have his name. The one that you call your baby.
When it's a fuata. Anything you want, I get it one time. When I mean taka. Sema unachotaka, get it first time. When it's a fuata. Anything you want, I get it one time. When I mean taka. Sema unachotaka, get it first time.
Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Oh I love you, yeah. If I don't love you, karo kana kula tabu. Oh baby, I love you. Oh I love you. If I don't love you, karo kana kula tabu. Oh baby, I love you. Oh I love you. If I don't love you, karo kana kula tabu.
Magic's anger on the beat.
Are you liar? Ujaacha tobo uliloniachia ni bonge la tundu, sina nyendo, mama kaninunia na hisi gundu na kunywa gongo, najisaidia nguoni aibu mwalongo, kitanda changu ndo choni, wendo sababu, wewe sababu, butumo bimba na nzolela, naumia sana nimekuzoea, butumo bimba na nzolela mama, naumia naumia sana nimekuzoea. Ndoto za ajabu kichwani unakuja wewe, sura yako nishasomewa vitabu bado vinasema wewe nikifa maiti yako. Ayaya na machozi yatakikauka. Ayaya futa kushoto kulia yashuka. Ayaya na machozi yatakikauka. Ayaya utamu wa nanasi ghafla wa mchungu sana ukinywa maji. Baby wangu wasiwasi, nani kakuficha mama, rudi basi. Tajiri wa huzuni, machozi kwangu bwelele, upepo wa Firauni umemkumba ngedele. Mfukoni mbuni, vichenji chenji njenjele, na maza sabuni, mdomo koma kelele. Utumo bimba na nzolela, naumia sana nimekuzoea. Utumo bimba na nzolela mama, naumia sana nimekuzoea. Ndoto za ajabu kichwani unakuja wewe, sura yako nishasomewa vitabu vyote vinasema wewe nikifa mako. Ayaya na machozi yatakikauka. Ayaya futa kushoto kulia yashuka. Ayaya na machozi yatakikauka. Ayaya moyo una marekere, moyo wangu wewe nayema kwa shida. Biashara yangu ya mapenzi hasara si faida. Mazoea nimekuzoea, nimekuzoea. Why you do me this? Why you do me this? Nigga, you me love and it's the way you do it. Why? It's the way you do it. You not ready at all, ready for all. This unconditional love I got for you. This love I got for you. You not ready at all, ready for all. This unconditional love I got for you. This love I got for you. Why this was a waste of time? Why you fool me telling your lies? Gave you my love, now me heart get dry. But Pamali say no woman, no cry. Walk for 1,000 miles, but they say you're tired of walking aisles. In a ring with your circus thing, me a fall back cause in all that. You not ready at all, ready for all. This unconditional love I got for you. This love I got for you. You not ready at all, ready for all. This unconditional love I got for you. This love I got for you. Want everybody like Satan. While you cheat, you loving me, I wait on. Deleting your conversations. Why you so hard, boy, you a must mason. Oh why, why you so caught up living the hype life? Party day and night, 40 days and night. This unconditional love I got for you. This love I got for you. You not ready at all, ready for all. This unconditional love I got for you. This love I got for you. You not ready at all, ready for all. This unconditional love I got for you. This love I got for you. No, I can't take your back for you to give treatment like that. You ain't
unconditional love I got for you. This the love I got for you. You're not ready at all, ready for all. This unconditional love I got for you. This the love I got for you. For your love, 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 your love. I'm available. Hey. Beatbox. W-A-J-D. I want to love you, my baby. My baby, I want to love you, baby. My baby, I want to give you all you need. All you need, I want to give you, baby. This kind of love, this kind of love, this kind of love. I never seen type at all. If it took a grenade for my heart, I've never seen this kind before.
Tony that and handsome, you got it. Chocolate, you got it. Everything I want and more. Etiba baby, I got it. I love it up, I got it. You're the one I'm waiting for.
No delay. I see they wait for your love.
Everything you want, I'll give it. My heart, my love, it take a more. I be the sugar in your tea. Say I'm the one you're looking for. This kind of love, this love, this love. I never see this type, but no. Baby, oh, baby, baby, oh. Sure you go catch me if I start to fall.
Tony got a handsome, you got it. Chocolate, you got it. Yeah, everything I want and more. Etiba baby, I got it. Love you, love you, I got it. You're the one I'm waiting for.
My baby, no delay. I still do it for your love. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Monday, nobody Monday. We have not chico right now. But now this kind of love between a mom and a woman. We have not chat on a woman. You get for your love.
I tell her, say I wanna see her. I tell her, say I like the way her body flow like a river. So baby girl, what's your name? Me, I really wanna know ya. I don't mind if you come to my place, make I hold ya. Say I need you tonight, I want you tonight. Would you come down straight to my room? There's so many things we can do. Say I need you tonight, I want you tonight. Would you come down straight to my room? There's so many things we can do. But if you
you leave me, I can find my way. Well, if you need me, I can find my way. Girl, if you need me, I can find my way.
Me, I don't give enough. Me, I don't give enough. Everybody run. Me, I don't give enough. Me, I don't give enough. Everybody run. Me, I don't give enough. Me, I don't give enough. Everybody run. Me, I don't give enough. Me, I don't give enough. Everybody run.
Hello, me I want it slowly. Me I dey locked up lonely. So give me that booty. Drop that booty on daddy. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Girl, I wanna show you something. I wanna show you something. So baby, please believe me. Girl, me no deceiving. You be the girl where I want all day. Me, I really want you to stay. I know you need me, but if you leave, I go find my way.
You be the one where I want all day.
Me, I really want you to stay. Cause I need you tonight. I want you tonight. Would you come down straight to my room? There's so many things we can do. Say I need you tonight. I want you tonight. Would you come down straight to my room? There's so many things we can do.
Well, if you leave me, I can find my way. I can find my way. Girl, if you leave me, I can find my way. Well, if you need me, I can find my way. I can find my way. Girl, if you need me, I can find my way.
Me, I don't give enough. Me, I don't give enough. Everybody run. Me, I don't give enough. Me, I don't give enough. Everybody run. Me, I don't give enough. Me, I don't give enough. Everybody run. Me, I don't give enough. Me, I don't give enough. Everybody run.
Should I you be the one for me? I be like me be the one for you. Girl, I go there when you call me. I know that your love is true. So baby girl, what's in it? Me, I really wanna know ya.
Oh yeah.
I know mine if you to my place, make I hold ya. Hold ya. Say I need you tonight. I want you tonight. Would you come down straight to my room? There's so many things we can do. Say I need you tonight. I want you tonight. Would you come down straight to my room? There's so many things we can do.
Well, if you leave me, I can find my way. I can find my way. Girl, if you leave me, I can find my way. Well, if you need me, I can find my way. I can find my way. Girl, if you need me, I can find my way.
Me, I don't give enough. Me, I don't give enough. Everybody run. Me, I don't give enough. Me, I don't give enough. Everybody run. Me, I don't give enough. Me, I don't give enough. Everybody run. Me, I don't give enough. Me, I don't give enough. Everybody run. Sakels the Hitmaker.
available. I'm available. I'm available. Call me, I'm available. Available. Oh lo lo lo. Oh lo lo lo. Oh lo lo lo. Oh lo lo lo. Anytime you call me, I am ready to answer. Wanna stand by you, girl, like I am your bounce. Too many style. Girl, I swear you too versatile. This is real African style, not Opa Gangnam style. Call me, I'm available. Trust me, I am capable. I am able to disable you on top of. I want to dance with you, winner. 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 I'm available. I'm available. Call me, I'm available. I'm available. I'm available. Call me, I'm available. Available. I'm available. I'm available. Call me, I'm available. I'm available. I'm available. Call me, I'm available. Available. Oh lo lo lo. Oh lo lo lo. Oh lo lo lo. Oh lo lo
Rankada. Hola Mokamba then Dogita. Let me tell you about my type.
Magic's anger on the beat.
My type, Mutoto, my type. Bad girl, Toto, window, my type. My type, Katoto, my type. My kinda girl, window, my type. My kinda girl, my type of girl, yeah. My type of girl, my kinda girl, yeah. My kinda girl, my type of girl, yeah. Bad girl, Toto, window, my type. So uta mindy, twende nikuonye mota. Tupige lapu mayadi, hojo wembene sita. So uta mindy, toka pige kangita. Toka sengete ngoma sesa pite kamandeva. Toka kitambwa ta before the late lighting. Toto na shika mina piga same nighting. Alright, nikiwa I like a kaitola mudemba. Esala tunajua kana biting. She wanna light it, another joint. She says she like it, another point. She says she like to hang out in another joint. Legeza mwili lete chini to vibro. My type, mutoto my type. Bad girl, toto window my type. My type, katoto my type. My kinda girl window my type. My kinda girl, my type of girl, yeah. My type of girl, my kinda girl, yeah. My kinda girl, my type of girl, yeah. Bad girl, toto window my type. Wapi banguna, wapi mange, wapi mayoyo wanapendaga kupiga sele, wapi magede. My bad girl, baby. Cheza debe, piga matantan, baby. Vibrate, bend over 90 degrees. On your marks, on your marks, on your knees. Unanibuli unavyo dance, unanibuli. We go hard, we go hard, we go easy. Legeza kiuno chini, lose your behavior. In your time ya ku lose your behavior. Metoke halaka, lose your behavior. Legeza kiuno chini, lose your behavior. My type, mutoto my type. Bad girl, toto window my type. My type, katoto my type. My kinda girl window my type. My kinda girl, my type of girl, yeah. My type of girl, my kinda girl, yeah. My kinda girl, my type of girl, yeah. Bad girl, toto window my type. Napenda bad girl, watoto bad kama rivi. Bad girl, baby toto bad like she. Bad girl, toto bad kama rivi. Bad girl, baby toto bad like she. Kudos, take your time, bend it loosey. Take your time, bend it low, get it loosey. Kudos, take your time, bend it loosey. Take your time, bend it low, get it loosey. Legeza kiuno chini, lose your behavior. In your time ya ku lose your behavior. Inama, enoka, lose your behavior. Legeza kiuno chini, lose your. My type, mutoto my type. Bad girl, toto window my type. My type, katoto my type. My kinda girl window my type. My kinda girl, my type of girl, yeah. My type of girl, my kinda girl, yeah. My kinda girl, my type of girl, yeah. Bad girl, toto window my type. My type, mutoto my type. Bad girl, toto window my type. my type, katoto my type. My kind of girl window my type. My kind of girl, my type of girl, yeah. My type of girl, my kind of girl, yeah. My kind of girl, my type of girl, yeah. Bad girl, toto window my type. Kula mugam wali boss. Fast cash music.
No wanna be lying. Nishilashi kunyashinja. Oh, it's MCJ on the road. Nikikumisi na kumisi sana. Nikikutaka na kutaka sana. Nikikupenda na kupenda sana. Nikikushika na kushika sana. Sana 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 sana. Sana 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 sana. Sana 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 sana. Sana 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 sana.
Sana sana miwa niko mavitus juu yako. Sana sana niko drinks tu juu yako. Sana sana miwa hata studio tu juu yako. Hata muifanya tu juu yako. Na si msima hukade kiss tu mabima. Drinks pia kiasi kabla stima tujazima. Karege dance kana shika. Mina shika, suna nishika. Na she fly my diva. Check you damn guy I'm evil. It's a problem, shida. Kila kiona akidai I give her. I let her better this, I let her better that. Vile ena chicken dia vile naipot. Na mina penda vile tuna elewa. Blanda sana, waja nesi sema sana.
Nikikumisi na kumisi sana. Nikikutaka na kutaka sana. Nikikupenda na kupenda sana. Nikikushika na kushika sana. Sana 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 sana. Sana 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 sana. Ooh yeah. Sana 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 sana. Sana sana sana.
Nani bado South Beach. Pale sana sana. Toka kitambo mami na kutime sana. Najua unadai kucross na ukijana. Kwanza nikidunga sana na bandana. Sana sana na iko hiyo ringtone. Manamba zao zifiki your cell phone. Wendo target na wendo the mission. Shani mind me na kuwazanga till dawn. So baby keep doing what you're doing to me. Lazima nikupeleke uone mami. So baby keep doing what you're doing to me. Lazima na madhangu watakangi mchezo. Kumtembele lazima skari na kaleso. Na lazima nikutambulishe leo. Nimengoja sana sana sezi ngoja kesho.
Nikikumisi na kumisi sana. Nikikutaka na kutaka sana. Nikikupenda na kupenda sana. Nikikushika na kushika sana. Sana 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 sana. Sana 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 sana. Sana 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 sana. Sana 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 sana.
Hey, sikia venye track yani safi sana. Dem mameiva yani safi sana. Tuko back left tumetulia sana. Tuko ma JJ niko masika. Ananisho tu masi kama masika na nikimshika we anakatsika. Yo niko round 2 na once sijafika na bado niko pacho we bado napika. Love yetu moto yani never msoto yani kam nipe joto yani chill na mtoto na igwara gwara hey. Kama kokoto yani nikishamga kumbe dem tu ni ndoto.
This girl hai ananichanganya hai sana sana hai na misi sana. Nikikumisi na kumisi sana. Nikikutaka na kutaka sana. Nikikupenda na kupenda sana. Nikikushika na kushika sana. Sana 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 sana. Sana 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 sana. Sana 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 sana. Sana 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 sana.
Don't want be like
Kwani boss.
Blue money have to wrap up in elastic. Banner. Feed the bread basket. Enough ghetto youths dead fast quick. Me rather make it than lay down in a casket. Blue money for ya wrap up in a lasket. Come here.
Money, 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 money. Money, money, money. Money, 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 money. Money, money, money.
Tell Star, tell Glenn, and I make me do something for make the paper in ya. Come here, money.
Money, 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 money. Money, money, money.
Who no Cause clock treading up pasta. No one me fish or no lobster. Me want turn for me paper chapter. River can 1,000 acre capture 100 piece round my neck fracture. Money star my show to that actor. Y'all I get 12 round for sweat boxer. Y'all a fake a thing connect mobster. Money money money.